Imagine hiccuping for 68 years straight. That's exactly what happened to Charles Osborne from the US. He started hiccuping in 1922 and didn't stop until 1990. At first, he hiccuped around 20 times a minute, over 430 million hiccups in total. Doctors were baffled and never pinpointed the cause. Despite this relentless hiccuping, Charles lived a full life, got married twice, and even became a bit of a celebrity. His story is a wild reminder that sometimes life throws us the unexpected, and we just have to keep going.